In this tutorial, I will show you how to use tool validation feature in ToolKit. First, I will open an example tool to demonstrate feature capabilities. Once our tool is open, I will enter Design Mode and select Validation tab in Design Tools window to activate Feature View. Tool validation module is designed to help developers during tool creation process. It could give instant feedback that prevent developers from making unintentional mistakes. Validation module is divided into 3 regions. Top region, called Validation Options, allows to choose one or more rules that engine could validate. Once drop-down is opened, I can select set of rules I am interested in. In our example, I want to validate tool against all available rules, so I am selecting all checkboxes. By hover mouse cursor over single rule, I get pop-up with detailed rule description. All rules description as well as entire module specification could be also found in ToolKit Help. I can display Help topic directly from Design Tools window by selecting question mark icon at the top right on the window. Once rules are selected, I could start validation process by selecting Validate button on the right of drop-down. Our example tool is relative small, but for bigger tools, validation process could take significant amount of time. Validation process is done. In the center of module window, I can see now validation results. Validation results are grouped by default by view and page, but for some rules grouping is done using custom logic. I was validating against all rules, but now I can use filters to show results by each rule separately. I open the Rule Filters expander, which shows all the rules for which ToolKit was able to determine possible problems. The number of problems found is indicated in brackets after the rule name. If rule is not present inside filters, it means ToolKit was not able to find any issue connected with this rule. By checking or unchecking items, we can filter our validation results to find the data we are most interested in. Each entry has short issue description. This is possible problem that developer should analyze. By hover mouse over result, navigate to button is being displayed on the right side of issue description. After selecting this button, ToolKit will switch tab to Tool Explorer and select the component that is the source of the validation message. In our example, I have been informed about incorrect component location. If I scroll to the location property, I can see that X is set to negative value that could result in limited component visibility. For validation results that are not directly connected to component, navigation is disabled. Unused params rule is the example. Hover mouse over results in this group doesn't show navigate to button. At the bottom of our module, I can see overall summary. It informs me about number of currently displayed items. It could also give some warnings with appropriate message. In our example, we get warnings due to specification not found for few views that could have impact on number of validation results displayed. On the bottom right of the module view there is Export button. This enables to export all validation results displayed currently on the screen to CSV file. I want to export all results found to single file, so I am selecting all filters. Keep in mind that only results that are displayed in Validation Results Grid are exported to CSV file. After pressing Save button in File dialog, my results are exported. CSV file contains all results separated by rules. For each rule we can find short description, information about report creation date, developer name and name of service tool. Each entry contains entry reference and other data specific to validation result. To export single rule results, I need to use filters to display particular results on Validation Results Grid and then export to the file. If I want to validate tool again, I need to select desired validation rules when required and press Validate button. After that, Validation Results Grid contains new set of validation results. This concludes the demo of using validation feature. Thanks for watching.